So for a long time I've wanted to hang these mason jars on our kitchen. So I thought I'd run a short video and show you how it's done. All this stuff here you can get at Amazon or the big box store. The first thing you need to purchase is this corded light socket. A nice long one there so that you can hang it from the ceiling, and you have that screw on there so you can sandwich the lid so that you can hang the jar from it. Without that screw on, it's going to be tough to do it. So find the one that has a screw on for the socket. And the next thing you'll need is something to find center of your lids. And an ice pick so you can score it and punch a hole in it. And then get yourself a hole saw or whatever it takes to do a little hole. You can actually punch a bunch of holes in it with your ice pick and then wiggle it out. Get that out of there and put it in your socket. I get some wire nuts and some tools and the ceiling caps. I'll run your wire through it and hang it from the wire box up there in the ceiling. And then I got these old-fashioned lights that I think are going to look kind of cool in there. Those were from a big box store. Probably could get those on Amazon also. So we've got everything here. So let's first start by cutting a hole in the lid.
What is that figure?
Now let's put this together. Okay. Alright, so let's go in the kitchen and hang these. So some simple wiring, the white to white and the black to black. If you have a green wire in there for ground, make sure you hook that up too. And don't do what I did and forget to put the cap through the wire before you hooked it up to the ceiling. So make sure you run that cap through the wire. Take a couple of mason jars and make them into kitchen lights. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. Hang them in your kitchen. They're kind of cool. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.